At GMCS, we believe in building futures through hands-on experience. Our college, career, and civic readiness internship program offers senior students the opportunity to apply their academic and career technical skills in real-world settings, preparing them for success after high school.
Being in an internship really helped me using my skills inside the classroom to use it outside the classroom when I already know what to do.
Our internship program connects students with industry professionals who serve as mentors, guiding them through the practical application of their skills while preparing them for future careers.
So the internship program helped me for meeting the people that are going to teach me how to be out in the real world and out in the field. And it would help me set up my career after high school, after I graduate, and it would help me get into better job opportunities.
In our carpentry internships, students not only hone their craft, but also learn how to manage projects, work with clients, and navigate the demands of the construction industry. Our internship program is more than just work experience. It's a culmination of the academic and career technical education students have received throughout high school. It's about applying GMCS graduate profile skills like problem solving, communication, and teamwork in real-world settings.
So the competitive advantages I've been on the internship is working, getting paid, and also just the experience I get from it. I get so much experience and I learn so much from it. If you're interested in joining the internship program, I would recommend for you to join it. I joined it and I never looked back from it. It really helped me a lot in my life, and I'm sure it's going to help me a lot after I graduate.
Our students graduate with a unique blend of academic knowledge, technical skills, and real-world experience that sets them apart in the job market and prepares them for the challenges of tomorrow.
I would recommend this internship program to all the kids because it helps me build up confidence and gives me real-world experiences, and it also helps me build confidence to work in a real-world job.
At GMCS, we're not just preparing students for graduation, we're preparing them for life. Our internship program is the final step in their journey, helping them build the future they've always envisioned.